Sunrise, Florida on a Wednesday night, and they have a food truck rally for lots of different types of food. There are desserts. This place is amazing.
And this place is good.
Churros, rice bowls, wings, tacos, quesadillas. Everything looks so good. Ooh, look at that. Even more? Wow. And there's a playground in here, so we can head over to the playground. There's Greek food. I saw a basketball court at the beginning of this place. Cheesecake. Some games. There's even live music. He's taking a break right now. Garden Diva, they have vegan and vegetarian food here. Burger Kitchen. There's tables to sit at. Tacos. I'm probably gonna get the Greek food or the tacos. Look at all those wing flavors. This place looks good. Barbecue. This is my favorite. Always barbecue wherever we are. Mystery drinks. Everything about this place smells so good. I don't even know what to choose. Thank you.
What'd you get? What'd you get? What'd you get?
I know, but you're gonna do a good job. Hands out for balance. There you go. You did it.
Yep. Because now I'm starting to get a big boy. Let's see. No, go back. I don't know who's
Nice.